determine the equation of the line that is parallel. I like to circle that to remind myself of what we need to do to the line y equals 1/4 x minus 12 and passes through the point -4, 3. Well, once again, this equation is in slope-intercept form. And consequently, what that means is that our slope is 1/4 from that equation, because our equation is solved for y. So we can readily identify what the slope is. And then what we're going to do, we're going to take that value, we're going to put it back into the point slope form. And we need to be aware of that equation. If you don't know that equation, it's something that you need to know for the test. Some other information here is that x1 is -4 and y1 is 3. You can fill that in. So this problem becomes y minus 3, there's our y1, equals m, that's what we found a moment ago, the 1/4, times x minus a -4. And again, to the best of my understanding, you can leave your answer like that on the state test. I just want to remind you that a minus a negative is the same thing as a plus positive. In contrast here, determine the equation of the line that's perpendicular this time to the line y equals -3x plus 1 and passes through that point -12, 6. We can still identify our slope of this line because the equation's in slope-intercept form. Solve for y, the number for the x is our slope. But what's really important here is that we need the perpendicular slope. And the perpendicular slope means that we need to flip this fraction. That's why I wrote it as -3/1. So it's going to become 1/3 when we flip that fraction. And the sign is going to change to positive. And no, you don't have to write it, but I do want to illustrate that fact that it does become positive. Opposite reciprocals. One of the slopes has to be positive, the other one has to be negative, and or vice versa. So now we're going to go back into y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And we fill in our values, going back here and recognizing that -12 is x1 and 6 is y1. So this becomes y minus 6 equals our perpendicular slope. It's going to be the 1/3 times x minus the -12. And you can leave it like that, or y minus 6 equals 1/3 times x plus 12, double negative.